Saving with Shay. Let me turn this down for YouTube be like strike. Striggity strike, 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 strike. So listen, this is my weekend Walmart haul for you guys. For my weekend, I need 15 offers for $5. And as far as the larger bonus that I didn't think I was gonna hit, I still need like 22. So I'm gonna see if I can knock that out without overspending, of course. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button and support your girl. And so I'm going to keep this super brief. We're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right. They finally restocked on the Dairy Pure. It's priced at $4.43, getting back $4.49 on Ibotta, making this a 6-cent moneymaker. Next up is the Arm & Hammer scent boosters. These are priced at $5.44, getting back $4 on Ibotta, brings them down to only $1.44 each. They also have the lights as well. This one's $5.48, so $1.48. So this next deal is on the Caesar wet dog food. Now check this area because I've seen a lot of people posting a lot of clearance in the pet food aisle, so I'll definitely be checking while I'm here. But I did see this gift card deal on Instagram. I'll have a link in the description for you. It's a buy 2 get back 5. Now there's like a ton of different products that qualify, so I would say click the link, click terms and conditions or something like that, and it'll show you all the items that qualify with the UPCs. So I just went on to the first one I saw that worked, which was the grilled chicken. It's the classic loaf and sauce grilled chicken flavor one. It's priced at $1.28, so you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $2.56, get back a $5 Walmart gift card. Makes it a total of 44-cent moneymaker. But there's a lot of different products that work. I just wanted to get the cheapest thing that I could find. I tried to see if I could find any of the items. There's Pedigree, there's Caesar, and there's Imes. Those are the 3 products that you can buy to get back 5. And so I was hoping I could find some Pedigrees that would match up with the Ibotta offers, but I didn't see any. So I'm over here on the cat aisle. There's a lot more clearance in this section, I noticed, versus the dog section. So for this, I did find the gravies and the shakes for 50 cents. Grabbing 2, you'll pay $1, get back 75 cents for buying 2 on Ibotta. Brings those down to 25 cents for the 2. I saw something else over here. I was looking for the multi-packs of the Friskies over here. I think I saw Running Kimono post over on Instagram that she found them for like $3 and then $3 back on Ibotta. But I didn't find any here. And then they also have these Fancy Feast gems. They only actually carry these at this store. They usually have them on the aisle over there, but they're on this end cap. I had to have one of the associates scan these for me because every flavor, there's 4 flavors, and each one was a different price. One was like $7.99, so I had her scan them. These 3 flavors are $1. All right, getting back $1 on Ibotta, so it makes them free. So I don't think I'm gonna get those. I think I'm just going to go ahead and grab these instead. What I'm gonna do is do 5 for Walmart rewards and then do another 5 for Ibotta. I just realized with Ibotta there is a bonus when you buy 4. So the set I do on Ibotta will be a $1 moneymaker, and then the set for Walmart rewards will be free. And so, yeah. All right, this next deal I saw Miss Nicole post on Instagram. I posted it on my community tab yesterday. You don't see any here because I came in, I got them all yesterday. I did the limit of 3. I did 3 for Ibotta, 3 for Walmart rewards. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 at $2.18, get back 2 on Ibotta. Makes it only 18 cents with a limit of 3. So, I went ahead and did this deal again on the Check Extreme. Priced at $6.78. I did use this $3 coupon right here from coupons.com. That brought that total down to paying $3.78, getting back 4 on Ibotta. Makes it a 22-cent moneymaker with a limit of 2. I also grabbed the Skin Timid as well again, priced at $6.27. Again, use the same coupon. They skin perfectly fine in self-checkout, which I always love.
Paid $3.27, get back 3 on Ibotta, makes them 27 cents with a limit of 3 as well. And then I also grabbed the Hydro Silk at $6.78, $3 coupon. Pay $3.78, get back 3 on Ibotta, makes that 78 cents, limit of 2. All right, and of course I grabbed the Nivea, the smaller bottle, the 8.4 ounces, priced at $4.97. I did use a $2 printable from coupons.com. I'll have to pop it up. I took a picture at checkout. It did work perfectly fine in self-checkout for me. You'll end up paying $2.97, getting back to when I bought it makes that 97 cents. So limit is two. Well, I had 2 coupons, so I went ahead and grabbed 2. All right. This deal is on the CoverGirl pencil. I guess there are $2.88 everywhere for the double pack. I grabbed them at another store. I grabbed like the last 3 they had. They're priced at $2.88. Now the printable didn't scan for me. I tried it on my last video and I tried it for this as well. Didn't scan. It didn't scan in self-checkout and it didn't scan with the regular cashier. At least for me, it didn't. The offers for $2 on the sister apps is no longer there for me. So you want to grab one, price at $2.88. Getting back to on Ibotta, to on checkout 51 makes it $1.12 moneymaker. I went ahead and grabbed the 3 that they had, so it made them like 21 cents.
All right, guys. So if you haven't had a chance to like and you still watching this video right here, definitely support your girl by hitting the like button. So this deal here, I actually found this on clearance for $7. It's the deodorant that I use right now. Getting back $5 on Ibotta makes it only $2. Not the greatest deal, but like I said, it's what I use. So I went ahead and grabbed it. I finally found this. I cannot pronounce it. Gardetto's Spicy Italian. I found them at 7-Eleven. I know some of you guys had the pizza flavor. These were priced at $4.29. And then we were getting back $10 on Flavor Wiki, making us a $5.71 moneymaker. Now, really quick with the Pop-Tarts from, I think it was Food for Less. I did have 2 retakes on both accounts. So I actually got back an extra $20, which is so freaking awesome. And with the retakes, from what I know of, you don't have to repurchase the product. You're just retaking the survey using the same receipt. All right, and last but not least, I hope you guys got your eggs on Friday. I'm passed on last Friday. I was down to like the last 4, so I kind of had to get more eggs. The cheapest I could find them is at Sprouts for $4.99, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. Brought them down to $2.49. Of course, you can get the 2 single boiled eggs. You can get the 6-pack at Walmart. I even saw somebody get the Easter confetti eggs as well. So there's definitely options, but I eat eggs every day, so I want eggs, real eggs, and I want as many as I can get. So with that being said, I will see you guys at home for the final, well, I'm already at home, but I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. Like, I'm always happy when my printables work in self-checkout, because I hate to have to go to a regular register if I don't have to be honest. And like I said, the only one that didn't scan for me was that CoverGirl eye product. That one hasn't scanned, but it's not bad because these are only $2.88, so it still was a really good deal. It would have been nice if the offers on the sister apps were still there, but mine's are all gone. Nivea scanned as well. I did Walmart rewards for the fancy fees, which honestly wasn't sure if it's going to go through because I think it said out of stock. So when it says out of stock, it doesn't actually list Walmart rewards as available. And so, but I did activate the offer. I went in, I bought it, and I think it took 2 or 3 minutes for it to hit my my Walmart app, and then I got the second set with Ibotta and just rolled that into it. The Vaseline, that one went through pretty fast too, and I just rolled that one in. I'm trying to stay on top of rolling Walmart rewards back into it to help lower the out-of-pocket. I did do the Check Extreme twice since it reset. I did a separate receipt with the Extreme and the Skintimate, but the only one that reset this morning was the Extreme, and so I got to take back the Skintimates. Now, when it comes to the Caesar dog food offer, I tried so many times to submit that receipt, you guys. It's not loading. I even came home and did it on desktop. It's still not loading. So I left a comment under the post for that offer on Instagram saying it's not working. So I'll definitely be taking that back along with the Skin Intimates. What else? That's the Shea Moisture that I got. And that reset for me. So I may do that again because like I said, that's the deodorant that I use. Other than that, I think that's basically it. And so everything that you see here retails $109.32. $28 in coupons. My sales tax was $9.49. And this brought the out of pocket down to $81.32, getting back $76.99 from Ibotta. $11 from Walmart Rewards. Flavor Wiki is $30 and Checkout 51 is $2. Getting back a total of $119.99 makes this a $38.67 moneymaker, which is so awesome. Excuse Josiah, they're outside with their water guns. What was I say? I did get credit for the retakes. I think I may have mentioned that in a voiceover, but I did get credit for the retakes. Now with the retakes that I know of, you don't have to repurchase the product, it's just a retake. And so I have been using the same receipts. One of them I got back an extra 10. The other one I did a day after, so that one should probably hit. I noticed that with Flavor Wiki they don't usually hit on the weekends, so I'm assuming I'll get that one on Monday, which will be really cool because that's like an extra $20. And so other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. If you made it to the end, don't forget to hit the like button. Josiah's, his emoji is fruit. If you make it to the end, fruit emoji in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.